Hello, hi, I'm Johan. Today I just wanted to share some growing seedlings. This is paprika experience. You can have plastic over plastic pots to keep them moist inside and keeping it hot. Or you can have clay pots and watering all the time. This is a video to show seedlings can be grown in direct sunlight. The thing is, seedlings can take the heat and the sun, but they can't take being dry. If you put plastic on, then they will choke. This is cardboard pots and a baking pan, similar to a plate and a clay pan, but the plate, in this case the baking pan, is much larger, so it can contain a lot of water. With this setup, watering them once a day is enough. I water them in the morning, then they start to get dry, and then they keep moist during the day. Today is not sunlight, but the other days it was. I've done this a couple of times. I share this video because it's simple and easy way to grow seedlings. Yes, move on a bit. One that's starting to sprout a bit. Some water. And bye.